Datagrid is an agentic AI platform for all of your data. So today I'm going to take a couple minutes to build an AI agent that can be accessed over the phone through SMS so that the field teams can find any information they want at any time. So we do that with Procore data. Procore is a project management solution that's used in construction by construction companies. First thing, we'll log into our Procore account, and then we install in the app marketplace access from Datagrid to Procore. Now we create an account in Datagrid and be able to create agents and connect all your data. So let's go ahead and create an AI agent. Here, we have a number of agents that are already predefined that you can go and use. But let's create a custom one. I'm a construction PM working for Acme Construction. We use Procore, and we want to work with R5 and submittals. And by entering this simple prompt, we basically will look at all the different agents that can be created for Procore, and we'll create one custom for Acme Construction that is already predefined with your company name and all the different things you want to do from your company. So we haven't connected Procore yet, so the first thing that the agent is going to ask is to connect Procore. So we'll go ahead and choose the production version of Procore, and we'll log in. Once the data starts syncing, the agent will just pop this progress, and is going to send you an email when the data has been ingested and is available to be used. Now that our data is already integrated, we'll start a new chat, and we'll now ask a question just to make sure everything is working. So what is the footing elevation on the southwest build? So here what's going to happen is the agent is autonomous, so it's going to come up with a plan to figure this out. So in fact, it has to look at all the RFIs and then disambiguate which is the right answer to this question. There'll be multiple drawings specifying different elevations, and then there's a question that was asked here. So you can see that the elevation is 9025, and this was confirmed in RFI number 6, which initially noted a discrepancy between these two drawing details. And it actually quoted us the specific PDF where that information is the answer to that information, because the actual RFI just says, see attached. Now we want to enable field teams to also do this from their phones. So I have here a phone that I can go and send text messages. Go to the configuration of our agent, and you can see here that we have the ability to configure knowledge, configure the model that we're using, change the instructions that are being used by this agent, the tools that the agent has access to, and also the actions the agent can perform. So let's go ahead and the mobile access and set up a mobile access point for this AI agent. So let's click on acquire phone number in the United States. This will give a phone number in the US that the agent can use to communicate. And there's a code here that I have to send, an invitation code that I have to send in the platform. Now that the agent has confirmed, let's go ahead and ask that same question. Southwest building. You can see the agent first answers with a quick answer, just so that we know that it's working on that answer. And it directly answered that question in the same way that he would have answered online. So let's send an image to the agent and ask what's going on. That's it. So we have established a bidirectional communication where agents can be communicated over SMS with a phone number. We can configure and customize our agents inside of Datagrid, and we can deploy more agents as we need for different data sources and different solutions. Within Datagrid, you have access to thousands of endpoints on very popular tools, also very specific industry tools that you're currently using in your company, financial tools, email, and web access, web scraping tools to enrich and build really smart agents that can do any work that you want for your teams.